My name is Thompson Mateza. I'm a fitness trainer by profession. I've been a fitness trainer for the Zimbabwe national soccer team, Ghana West Football Club. Then for international assignments, I've been a fitness trainer for Costa do Sol. That's the biggest football club in Mozambique, based in Maputo. I'm really happy with this FAS program in the sense that players are being educated. For example, I was facilitating the project on the importance of fitness programs to the athletes. And secondly, with this program, I think it's supposed to keep on going, annual event, in the sense that other coaches from other clubs will be able to come in and identify the athletes. And secondly, it is the camping environment whereby soccer players can also be in a position of identifying their weaknesses and strengths. And remember, they're having their coaches right now. The coaches are therefore to assist them in terms of diagnosing their problems which are being faced by the players. It might be technically or for physical programs. I thank you very much for that project. Thank you.